We have updated our website. You can now find lots of useful tutorials and tips on the Learning Center page. Let's take a look. Navigate to Resources and select the A&D Learning Center tab. In the first section, you will find Real Gold. Quick, simple, but very important video tutorials on how to use our services. Let's take How to Lock the Rate as an example. Just click on Watch Video and enjoy watching. In the second tab, A&D Tips, you will find tips from our account executives for your business. In the third tab, Webinars, contains recordings of our past webinars. And to learn about upcoming webinars, click on the Events and Webinars link above the menu. This library will be updated and expanded according to your request. Sincerely, A&D Mortgage.